Hello, Tweetbeats! We continue our travel vlog in Milan in Switzerland, exploring Milan's vibrant streets and Switzerland's stunning alpine views. Join me on Beyond Candid as we dive into the beauty and the charm of these amazing places. Nasa Como na kami. Medyo may kalamigan taglay.
My baby!
So, ang lamig. So, walk muna kami. So, kanina sa CR, biglang kinausap sila ng nagbabantay sa CR. Maganda to mukha ni Missy. So ngayon, nandito na tayo sa lake. Lake Como, located in northern Italy's Lombardy region, is one of Europe's most picturesque and luxurious destinations. The deep blue water mirrored the serene mountains and iconic Italian villas. So nandito yung Sun Palace. Malamig siya, in fairness. Lake Como's history dates back to Roman times when it was known as Larius. Romans valued the lake for its beauty and strategic location, building villas along its shores. So medyo may kalamigan. In the Renaissance, it became a retreat for aristocrats and artists, solidifying its reputation as a luxurious getaway. So, alam niyo ba na ang Lake Como ay founded by the Romans? So, itong Lake Como na to is the third biggest lake dito sa Italy. Malamig siya, hindi biro. And this is lugar ng mga mayayaman. So, meron ditong villa si George Clooney. So, ito daw ay isang war monument. So, yan. Tapos, pupuntahan tayo doon. Hindi ko naririnig kung ano sinabi ng ating tour guide. Yun kay Volta na museum. So, kung sino pa maliit, hindi siya bumatawag. So, ito yung museum ng electricity. May frogs. Bakit mo si Mari? Next to be seen is Tempio Voltiano Museum to honor Alessandro Volta, born in Como in 1745. He is famous for his groundbreaking work in electricity. Inside the museum houses a collection of Alessandro Volta's scientific instruments and personal items. Another attraction is the life electric sculpture on Lake Como. Designed by Daniel Libeskind, honors Alessandro Volta. Its two mirrored arches symbolize electrical energy, reflecting the lake and sky to celebrate Volta's legacy in a modern form. So ito ang Lake Como. So nag-pictorial na kami dun sa monument ng electricity. Tapos pabalik na kami, pupunta na namin yung bandang park. Hopefully punta kaming market. So, pupuntahan natin yung cathedral sa likuran. Ayan. Old streets. Para siyang vegan. Ayan, may mga shops where you can buy magnets, pang souvenirs. Siya talaga. The Como Cathedral, or the Duomo di Como, is a stunning Gothic Renaissance cathedral located near Lake Como. Built between the 14th and the 18th centuries, it features an elaborate facade adorned with statues and intricate stone carvings. The cathedral's dome, designed by architect Filippo Huvara, adds to its majestic profile, making it one of northern Italy's most striking landmarks. Its impressive interior boasts high vaulted ceilings, vibrant stained glass windows, and ornate altars. Include a beautiful rose window, Renaissance tapestries, and paintings from local artists. So after nung cathedral, nandito na tayo sa Changi and Sasai. So iba-iba ang mga meron tayo dito. Let's see. So ayan, on our way to our restaurant. So I think kwento sa amin sa bus na during the olden time, mga Romans ang nag-discover na itong Como City. So may building na ginagawa. Ito yung building na to. Pag-excavate nila, ito na yung nakita nila. Ayan, yung lumang mga ng rooms. Ayan.
Hindi nila alam kung kailan yan.
Yung pala yung Roman bathhouses. Ayan. So nakita nila nung ginagawa na itong building. And dahil doon tumigil, hindi na nila ginalaw. Ginawa na nilang spot for tourism. So itong kakainan namin ay bihira ang nakakaalam nito. So let's see. Kumakanta sa taas.
May kwarto na.
So itong kinakain namin. Ham, cheese, tapos may bitter herb. In fairness, sa simula, mapait yung gulay. But afterwards, may honey na sumasarap.
Piuttosto che una morta, se meglio fantorin. Ma de notte ritorna Cicillo, la Teresina, che gli ha tolto l'anello necca, la Teresina si sposerà. Mi sposo siciliano che sta davanti al mare, mi sposo pimentare perché sa lavorare, mi sposo siciliano che sta davanti al mare, mi sposo chi me pare perché sono innamorato.
Umakyat pa kami.
Tapos na pala.
It's done.
It's done. Sayang ang airport. So after Como, we're now in Scalo Milano outlet to buy. So ikot tayo at magwawaldas na naman ng kaperahan. Good luck. Scalo Milano Outlet is a modern shopping complex near Milan, featuring over 150 designer outlet stores with discounts on luxury brands. Now we have our last dinner in Milan before proceeding to Switzerland. A typical Italian meal is structured in several courses, starting with antipasto or appetizers like bruschetta or cured meats. The primo or the first course follows, usually a pasta or risotto. The secondo, main course, often features meat or fish, accompanied by a contorto side dish such as vegetables. The meal concludes with dolce or desserts like tiramisu or gelato. Hi guys! So, last day namin dito sa Italy and we're now going to Switzerland. So, tip lamang po sa mga binili niyo pong mga items na may tax refund, ipapakita po yan sa border ng Italy and Switzerland. And binigyan po kami ng tip na ayaw pala nila na nasa hand carry na may digulong. So, if ever you're going to travel, always prepare na hand carry na ganito. So, dito ko po ilalagay yung ilan sa mga pinamili natin na may tax refund. Siyempre, sayang din naman yun. At ang laking bulong. Okay? So, katatapos lang namin mag-breakfast and konting ayos lang po, early check-out kami kasi exact 9 o'clock paalis na po kami. Yeah. Ayos pa more. So mag-check-out na kami and look, napakadilim 8 o'clock na umaga. So sabi nga natin, di ba, na Italy, pag autumn and winter, bihira sila makakita ng araw. Medyo may kalamig, hindi naman ganun kalamig compared yesterday. Now I'm the border control, the border of Switzerland.
Sana lang po, per
So
person,
we
kung sino na
need
yung kailangan mo.
passport. So sa border ng Switzerland, pagpasok ninyo ito, meron silang immigration. So bababa kayo sa bus, ang papakita nilang usually is yung passport and ticket to make sure. Pero there are times din lang na you have to receive, to show them yung tax refund na binili nyo sa Italy. And of course, kailangan ipakita rin yung mga binili nyong gamit if ever it's expensive or di kaya 10 and above. So, nandito kami para mag-CR, 1 euro. Para barya lang ang pwede lang tanggapin dito. So, 1 euro. So, there. Nandito kami sa exit ko para lumabas. Yung pala doon din sa turnstile. Waiting ko lang sila baka di sila makalabas. Lesson learned, always bring wallet pag mag-CCR. We're now here in Switzerland, Lugano. So, ikot na po kami. This is our day 1 here in Lugano, Switzerland. We're going to visit daw Cathedral. And then afterwards, magla-lunch din kami dito. So, as we all know, Swiss is famous for their chocolate. So, nandito daw Nestle, Toblerone, tapos mga watches nila. So, Rolex, Philippe Patek, etc.
Dahil Sunday ngayon, as you all know, maraming Catholics dito. Kaya sarado ang mga shops. So hopefully daw may makuha kaming open na shops. Hindi namin kung saan kami dadalhin ng tour guide. Paakyat. So medyo may rest kami ng very slight para maganda ang pagpunta sa Paroro. Kahit mahirap. Syempre. Grab the opportunity.
One, two, three.
So ito yung Cathedral and Clock Tower. Kaya pala bongga. So ang Switzerland kilala sa maraming mountains with springs. So ito yung sample water nila. So, check natin. In fairness, alamig.
Lugano Cathedral, officially known as the Cathedral of St. Lawrence, is the main Roman Catholic church in Lugano, Switzerland. Originally built in the Middle Ages, the cathedral has undergone several renovations over the centuries, blending Romanesque, Renaissance, and Baroque architectural styles. Situated on a hill near the train station, it offers breathtaking views of the city and Lake Lugano.
Tumutugtog daw ang organ music dito ngayon sa cathedral.
Its elegant facade, completed in the Renaissance style, is richly decorated with statues and reliefs. Inside, visitors can find impressive frescoes and ornate decorations.
So yun, it's 11:30 na. Kami mass at 12. But we have to go somewhere kaya Sunday mass. Ano. Tingnan nyo, pangalan. Marionette. So 13 degrees siya actually. Malamig. Pero uminit dahil syempre paakyat yung nilakaran natin. May impasimbahan, may heater. Kaya pinapawisan. So siya, pinapawisan sa Switzerland.
Lake Lugano is a stunning glacial lake located on the border between southern Switzerland and northern Italy, known for its deep blue waters and scenic mountain backdrops.
Yeah, we're going to try gelato. So itong prices, may 3 euros, 5 euros, 6 euros, ayan. Check natin. Titingnan natin. Ayan po si Doktora. Hi, Judge.
The side pistachio chocolate or orange peel?
Orange peel. And the mixture.
Yes, you can take everything you want.
Try Il Canola.
Di ba siya
4 euros. And the gelato. Cool.
Yeah, it's very good together. Yes. When you go one day in Sicily, you will buy this kind of sweet.
Hindi pala po naka-on. Kanina po ay hindi ko pala pinindot.
Canola. Alam na.
Canola po eh.
Canolo pag isa, canoli pag marami. So marami kami kinuha, canoli. So, canoli de Castro. Ayan, dahil, dahil yan po, wala palang misa, napakahirap kami. Ito na ang namin, reward.
Trip namin.
Sponsored ba ni to? Thank you po.
Hi, vlog.
Oh.
Ganda pala ng beauty garden.
Ang tami. Kami man naman niya. Ang ganda dito. So, bababa na po kami. So, may store kami pinuntahan. Bumili na kami ng konting souvenir. So, si Mami, ang kanyang souvenir is yung globe. And syempre, ating ref magnet. So, dito meron nga yung parang race na nangyayari. Ay, medyo may kaiba. So, yun yung gan sila katataas. Ang dorm. So, we're now having lunch here in a local restaurant in Lugano, Switzerland. And it's Restaurante Pizzeria Fresco. Nagkamali na kung saan papasok. So, lock na ka.
Lock na kami. Babasukin niya kami.
Saan sila pumasok?
Dito ba?
Pumasok sila.
Oh, nakita ko na si Doc Marge.
Saan?
Help. We need help.
So, saan kami kumain? So, yeah, we have here the restaurant.
Orange juice. And one Coke. Zero Coke.
Chicken ang pickle.
Alis na design na lang ng chicken.
Ano may rice?
Kahit dahan-dahanin pagtikayan. Yung like this one, smaller yata doon.
Yan. So, after lunch sa Lugano, pupunta na kaming Luzerne. And it's a 2-hour drive. Kaya, nagpapahinga muna kami na.
Next on Beyond Candid, we take you on an unforgettable Luzerne tour. We'll explore the iconic Lion Monument, stroll across the historic Chapel Bridge, visit the charming village of Iselwald on Lake Prince, ascend the heights of Mount Titlis, and wrap up with an exciting Zurich tour. Stay tuned for this incredible journey.